All right, guys, weekly stimulus for May 20th through the 26th, which is Sunday, and we will be doing Murph on Sunday. You could sign up for that class right now. It is available. Sign up if you know you're coming, because it helps us to plan accordingly. All right, so Monday, today, 2-minute AMRAP, rest 2 minutes, 2-minute AMRAP, rest 2 minutes. It's a triplet. It's row, rope climb, wall ball. You're going to AMRAP. It's pretty much a buy-in. So 12-9 on the row, 2 rope climbs, time remaining, max rep, wall ball. So you have to move fast on the row and the rope climb. We're looking to get at least 30 seconds on wall balls. All right, so somewhere around there. So if for some reason you cannot get to the wall ball, you have to make adjustments on the rowing, all right, or the rope climb, or the total bar. Because after the 2-minute break, you'll AMRAP again, same row, but you'll substitute total bar, 10 reps, or knees to chest for the rope climb. All right, on this, coaches, if you do have the ability to have them go in order as far as the size of your class, I suggest you do that. So pretty much 12 and under, you can do one heat, and that is start everybody, half the group on the row, the rope climb, and the wall ball, while the other group is resting, and just flip-flop them. All right, Tuesday. So Tuesday is run 1 mile. You have a 10-minute window. So basically, there's 3 10-minute windows. Window 1, run a mile. Time remaining, max rep, clean, and jerks. And again, whatever weight you're using. 3 minutes, break. After that, 10-minute AMRAP. 800-meter run. Time remaining, max rounds of 5 power snatches and 5 burpee over the bar. The weights change too as well. And you can make weight changes during the rest break. 3-minute break. AMRAP, 600-meter run, time remaining, max rep rounds of 5 thrusters, 5 burpees over the bar, and 30 double unders or crossovers. Okay, so when you do the first portion of this workout, we base it off of an 8-minute mile. You should have about 2 minutes to start repping out some clean and jerk singles. And in between every single 10-minute AMRAP, you'll get a 3-minute break. All right? Wednesday, we're squatting. This is week number 6. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So a set of 5, set of 4, set of 3, set of 2, set of 1. Really what we're trying to do is we're trying to hit a heavy-ish single, a successful single. So if you were here for the 5x5, the 5x5 sets, or the 5x3 sets, you should be looking to hit your last weight. So if my last weight on 5x5 was 100 pounds, I should hit that for my 5. If my last weight for 5x3 was 120, I should be able to hit that. And then from there, I'm going to base off what my 2 and my 1 is going to be. All right. Remember, the strength accessory is just that. We have to find ways, or we're trying to find ways to get you stronger with pulling. So if you have a couple of strict pull-ups, do a couple of those. If you have a couple of negatives, do a couple of those. Always do the hardest version, and then substitute some volume reps like inverted rows, or Australian rows. That's with the bar, if you have the space, because of the racks for back squat. And again, when you are doing the strength accessory, don't be afraid to break up the reps. You know, if you're someone who can do strict pull-ups, but you can't do them in a row, do a single, take a break. Do a single, take a break. All right, get stronger. Thursday are intervals. They're fast intervals. They're called sprintervals. All right, we're going to do 9 rounds. It's 6 bench press. It's 6 deadlift. And then it's 12-9 on the bike. So these should be sprints. You get a 2-minute break. All right. Think about the sprints that we did on the rower, where you did about 30 seconds of work and then had a 2-minute break. All right. So the bench press is a weight you cannot break up into sets. You have to do them all in a row. So figure out a weight you can do. And if you have to make weight changes, it shouldn't be an issue. Okay. 6 deadlift. That's another weight you have to do in a row every round. So So if you have to make an adjustment because you picked too heavy of a weight to start with, then go ahead and do that. We're looking for rounds to get done in around 90 seconds to 2 minutes. So 90 seconds, I think 90 seconds is going to be kind of on the average, maybe a little bit more, like closer to 145. So if your first 3 rounds are closer to 145 than they are towards 90 seconds, you might want to make an adjustment, okay? All right, coaches, we will also bring those bikes a little closer in the middle of the gym so that we could have a nice flow to it. So I envision that as bench, deadlift, bar, and then we'll put the bikes smack dab in the middle, okay? I would just stagger heats on that so you have an opportunity to make some weight changes if you have a busy class, all right? Friday's run, 300. 15, everything is from the floor. You will pull no weights from the rack. It's run, 15, and 3. So the run is always 300. The bar muscle up is always 3, 2 to 1 on any pull-up version, chest to bar or regular pull-ups. 15 strict press. So that means you'll clean the bar from the floor and strict press 15 reps. Then you'll go on a run again after the bar muscle up. You'll change the weight and do 15 push press. You'll do bar muscle up and then run. 15 power cleans. Muscle up, run. 15 push jerk. Muscle up, run. 15 squat clean. Muscle up and run. This is a bookend. It's not rounds. It starts and finishes with the same movement. All right? All right. Saturday, because we assume we're going to have hopefully have a big group for Sunday on Murph, we're going to do 1 minute stations. So we're going to bust the sledges out. We have sledgehammer station 1, shuttle runs for station 2, burpee box get overs for station 3. We want to try to use a higher box if that's the case. That is the case. So we'll probably set up a couple of like 40-inch boxes, 2 48-inch boxes, and maybe a couple of 30-inch as well. So you guys can do the burpee ring dips. Do those in small sets, and we're going to cap you guys at about 15 reps there. So don't exceed 15 reps, but 3 sets of 5 that accumulate 15, maybe every 20 seconds might be a good way to go. And ring dips are really hard, so take advantage of the bands if you need them. Farmer's hold as well is a 1 minute. Remember, on these stations, coaches, give them a good, quick 10-second transition in between the station. So, and then at the end of every round, give them a 2-minute break as well. All right, that's our week. Remember, Murph is Sunday. We will also soon be announcing our next in-house competition. Stay tuned.